In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in Stripe. By the end, you'll feel confident choosing the sign-in option that fits you best, while keeping your account secure and your access quick and reliable. First, let's cover the classic way. Head to the official Stripe login page in your browser. Before you type anything, glance at the address bar to make sure you are truly on Stripe's site and that you see the secure lock icon. Now enter the email address you used when you registered your Stripe account, along with your password. Passwords are case-sensitive, so watch for typos, and consider using a trusted password manager to autofill accurately. If you've enabled additional verification on your account, you may be prompted for a code. Complete that step to finish signing in. If you ever can't remember your password, use the on-screen recovery option to reset it safely. If you prefer a quicker route and your Stripe account is linked to Google, choose Sign in with Google on the login screen. Pick the Google account that's associated with your Stripe profile and confirm any prompt that appears. This approach keeps things simple and secure because your Google sign-in handles the authentication. Just make sure you are selecting the same Google account you originally connected to Stripe. For an even faster and highly secure method, use a passkey if your device supports it. With passkeys, you can authenticate with Touch 499, Face 499, or your device's screen lock. When you see the option, confirm on your device, and you are in no password to type, and it's resistant to phishing. Keep your device locked when not in use, and only approve prompts that you've initiated. Lastly, if you have a Stripe Express account often used to view tax forms and manage payouts, go directly to Connect. Stripe Comfy Express Login. This is a dedicated portal that's separate from the standard Stripe dashboard. Sign in with the email tied to your payouts and follow the on-screen prompts to access your information. If you were invited to Express by a platform you work with, use the same email they have on file so everything links correctly. A few closing tips to stay secure and efficient: always verify the web address before you sign in. Never share your password or verification codes. And sign out when you are on a shared or public computer. Bookmark the official login page so you can get back to it quickly next time without searching. That's it. You now know how to log in with email and password. Sign in with Google, passkeys, and the Stripe Express portal. Thanks for watching.